Hi everyone, this is Junpeng and you are watching my TED Talk. So let's start. My topic today is higher education as a very important factor of income inequality. So why is this topic special? You probably think about this question. Yeah, because I'm making it special? No. There's a common sense that higher education can have a very positive impact on income inequality. That said, higher education is going to solve this problem, help solve this problem. But today, this semester, my research is going to prove the opposite way. So I have a few points listed here. I'm going to walk through with you guys. But before I dive into these points, I want to share with you guys one of my personal stories. So 5 years ago, I was in Ohio University. Ohio, yeah. It's a very countryside place, and Ohio University is a public school. So there are a lot of Catholic church around there. So there's one beside the school, and I thought I've never been to a church in China, so I give a try. I went inside and I met my friend. Caitlin. So Caitlin, she is a nursing student, and she is definitely a genius, 4.0 student. She's very excellent, but she came from a very poor family. It's kind of a big deal because her parents can't afford her tuition and she couldn't either. So she started to take a few jobs at the same time while going to school. Well, you probably think, well, she has a lot of jobs, then she can pay her tuition now. No. The thing shocked me is she didn't have the bachelor degree certificate. Then those jobs like library recipients or the church recipients, those jobs are minimum wage or even no wage. So she had to take those jobs. Yeah, to pay her living expense. As an international student, I probably never had that worries. But she was just like other Americans, dreaming big, dreaming one day I can be very rich, believing God, that God will bless me and God will lead me to the wealth. Well, I hope that day will come after her graduation. Yeah, but from the moment I try to think about her struggling with her life. Her struggling was really hurt my feeling. Like she took a lot of jobs and she was very tired every day. I saw her, day by day. I'm thinking about the situation. Why the U.S. citizens, the U.S. younger generation, not only the younger generation, several generation based on my stories, based on my research, have the same problem. So I think the problem is not just very simple. So I So I started to do research for this topic, and then I got a lot of data to prove my topic. So the first one and the second one, they're together. Yeah. So their data is showing that the US from 1970s to 2000s, the distance between the rich and the poor is widening. While other developed countries like Germany, Denmark, or Switzerland, they don't have the problem. Actually, they are reducing the income inequality. So that makes the US looks even more severe on this question. So why does this problem look very severe? For example, think about this. If you're getting a B plus or A minus from a course, and it definitely doesn't look bad, yeah, but all other students are getting A's and you're the only one who get B plus, is that a problem? Because you're the only one special. So the same way here, the US among all those developed countries over last 30 years is the only one country have income inequality increased rather than reduced. Okay, so I would like to go number 4 first. Because number 4 is a common sense. You guys all know top 1% people are very rich, and the top 1% people's income, based on my research from a journal, their income is 38 times more than other 90% people. Well, there is another thrilling fact with the data. I didn't put it here, but I can tell you now, top 0.1% people, their income over last 30 years increased 7.5 times. Yeah, why is it more severe? Why? Because what I want to emphasize on this point is 38 times more. Yeah, it only proves more than other 90%. But the 0.1% people, their income increased 7.5 times. Is that crazy? Yeah, anything can happen in the US. Okay, number 3, college educated workers and non-college workers. These two groups have huge difference on their earnings. Well, you guys probably know a bachelor degree, the level of bachelor degree is the greatest gains among all those educational levels. So over the last 30 years, the earning of college educated workers increased 10 to 37%. Is that a lot? Yeah, I think so. But this point have a more meaningful point here. it will lead to the second half of my presentation, which start with a vicious circle. So I will give you a brief start. So non-college worker. So that means they just graduated from high school, or they don't even finish high school. They just start to get minimum wage and minimum wage and minimum wage. There's a circle, because their family makes less money than other families, then their children will have the vision about their future that I just need to take high school, I finish high school, I don't need to go to higher level, so I just have minimum wage, I can feed myself, that's enough. And college educated workers, they will get more. So that said, it's said that the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer. Thank you.